I bought the cheapest makeup that I could find on Amazon, and we're gonna see if they are worth your money. This is such a huge box for 12 products. I have here a full face of makeup and all of the products are under $5. And this is the makeup primer that I bought, and it has a very weird description. It claims to be a concealer stick, a foundation stick. I really don't know what I bought, so let's open it. The little heart is adorable on the box. Ooh, it's so cute! And this is by the brand Loy Hank. It has a slippery formula that I'm not a fan of, and it is a little bit mattifying, and the price of it is $2.18. Very cheap. In the picture, so the skin looks so smooth. Is it the primer? Is it the Photoshop? I am kind of scared to use this. I'm not sure if I have applied a lot. Oh, we just have 3 grams of product. This is $2? Maybe not a very good deal. It is oily, slippery.
I don't see much of a difference
between the two sides of my face. It does absolutely nothing. I don't think it is worth the money. And this is the cheapest foundation that I could find. It is by Revolution Pro. I got the shade F5. This is super pretty. We also have a pump. The packaging is very luxurious. Come on, color. Oh, it is a little bit peachy. I don't think this is gonna match me. I'm so sad. And the price of this one is $3.74, which is not bad at all. Testing time. The color is not so different from my own skin color, but it gives that weird pinky peachy undertone. It has a nice coverage and it is very spreadable. I haven't used a lot of product. My only issue is the undertone. The foundation is very comfortable and lightweight. It makes the cut. For a budget-friendly concealer, I ended up buying this one by Essence. Oops. And this is the Essence Cover Stick. I got the shade 30 Matte Honey. Oh, the consistency is a little bit thicker. And this one retails for $1.74. I have a bad feeling for this. It is tagging my skin a little bit. It feels heavier on the face. I'm adding just a tiny bit more. It doesn't fully cover my discolorations in the inner corner. I think this concealer would be great in a darker shade to use as a bronzer. As a concealer, I don't really like it because it's not so easy to blend. Moving on to another cheap makeup product, and this one is by the brand Revolution Beauty, and this is the baking powder in the shade Translucent. The cost for the full size is $4.94. I'm really hoping this doesn't give any white cast. I'm adding some of the powder. The powder has a scent. It gives a matte finish. I have applied a lot of powder and the foundation is still sticky. Let's go to the eyes now. I have applied some foundation on my hand without the primer. I want to set it with the powder. The foundation is not sticky at all now, so the problem is the primer for sure. White cast test. I don't have a white cast, so the powder makes the cut. To contour and highlight the face, I found this face palette with 3 powders and I'm really curious to swatch them. It also comes with a little brush. I'm so excited to try this. The brush is actually not bad. The box of the palette is so aesthetic. So let's dig into this. Wow, so pretty. It says streaming. What does that mean? Moment of truth. Ooh. The packaging looks very expensive and I have paid $4.37. I'm really curious about the formula. The matte powder gives ghostly vibes, but the highlighter is exactly the shade that I like having on my face. I'm super excited to use this palette. Okay, that's not bad. It blends very nicely. It also looks great for nose contouring. Next, I'm going in the highlighter with the beautiful flower stamp. This is such a beautiful shade. It is very soft and I think it goes very well with the contouring shade. I'm really thinking about using this one because it is so light on me.
With a small amount.
You don't really see it. Okay, I'm gonna use it a little bit underneath and I'm going to use the brush that comes with to clean my contouring. It gives ghost vibes. Okay, so I'm not gonna use more of this white powder. The brush is very soft on the face. I really like this palette except this shade here. I'm gonna give it 4 stars out of 5. I also found a crazy good deal for blushes and this one is a dual blush by LA Colors. We have so much plastic in here. It is scissors time. Oh no! Was this used? Maybe that's why they had such a big plastic bag. Oh no! It looks super scratched. What is going on? I think it has a fingertip here.
Oh boy.
And we also have a brush. Δες αυτή την παλέτα πως είναι. Ήτανε ανοιχτό. Αυτό εντελώς ξεκόλλητο.
It's used.
Σαν να τα κούμπησε κάποιος.
That sucks.
I'm so disappointed. I thought this was such a good deal. I have paid $3.45. Oh boy, they are so powdery. In the pictures, this shade wasn't so light. For obvious reasons, I'm not gonna use these blushes on my face. I went back on the Amazon website and I found the seller and the name of them is LA Colors. So maybe it is the brand. It is very weird that this product came opened and also used. And on my face now I have applied another very cheap blush by Makeup Revolution. These blushes are definitely a no from me. To make this makeup look extra super cute, I wanted to get a freckle pen as well. I got the shade too. I can't really read the name of the brand. The packaging feels a little bit cheapish. I'm hoping that I can create a super beautiful makeup look like that in the pictures. I'm curious about the color.
Uh-oh.
It is staining. It is so fast. I really like the color and it retails for $5.46. It's freckle time. I can't wait to use this. I don't think it's easy to create realistic freckles with this pen because it's not bendable and also you don't have time to blend them. It's not easy to create natural freckles with this pen, so it is a no from me. Let's go now to a super affordable brow gel or brow pomade because the description, you know, again has
So many words.
on the packaging. It says Handayan Eyebrow Cream and they have this brow gel in so many colors. What do we have here? Oh, a little brush as well for tiny people. And I got the shade 3. It is a little bit dried out.
That word is mean.
My formula is a little bit slippery but it dries down. So maybe it is a very good formula for the brows. And the price for this one is $3.82. I'm taking a brush that I have used 1,000 times. The color is a little bit warmer for me, but it is easily spreadable. I really like this product. It is definitely worth the money. Wet n Wild has these super cheap eyeshadow palettes and I decided to get it in the shade Petalette. The packaging of this one is also scratched, but it is completely sealed, so I don't think it is used. This eyeshadow here has some bumps, but I think it is a factory mistake. The color story is super pretty. I want to create something fairy-like, whimsical. The shimmery shades look a little bit drier in the swatches, and the price of this palette is $3. It is so cheap. However, we need to see how they look on the eyes. And now I'm going to take this shade here, and surprisingly it is more visible than what I was anticipating. It is super smooth on the skin. And then I'm going to take this purpley. It has a satin finish. I'm very curious if this is gonna be shiny on the eyes. It has nice color payoff with a smaller brush. I'm taking the same eyeshadow. It looks very nice. It gives a whimsical effect. I really like this eyeshadow. I'm taking a clean brush and this beautiful lavender shade. Ooh, that looks nice. It looks a little bit drier, but I think that's because of the concealer. Up next, I'm taking this beautiful pinky eyeshadow. This also looks super pretty. And I can also see the micro glitter. And to highlight the eyes, I'm taking this one. So shiny. I love it. The swatches were disappointing, but the eye look is not. So I really like this palette. These are maybe the best deal of the video. I bought 6 liquid eyeshadows for $5.46. That means each liquid eyeshadow is under $1. Do I know the brand?
No.
But I'm super excited for these. In the pictures, they are looking super glittery. I hope I didn't cut any of the liquid eyeshadows. These are so tiny. The packaging is adorable. So pretty. We have 3 pinkish and 3 grayish, blackish.
Swatching time.
On one side we have a matte eyeshadow and on the other it is the glittery. And these are the darkest shades 2, 3 and 4. For the glittery effect I'm gonna be using the liquid eyeshadow in the shade 2 from the lightest set. I'm not sure if I should use it directly. Oh, it's so glittery. And now I'm just pressing. I think it's not a good idea to press because I'm removing the glitter and I also want some in the tear duct. So I don't like that it is mixing with the eyeshadow. However, on the lower eye it looks super adorable. Fun to the rescue! I found one more dual-ended product and this one is an eyeliner and mascara together. And this is by the brand Yankina and it is the double-headed one-shot molding mascara eyeliner pencil. The packaging is really nice. We have this ombre effect. Oh, we have a very thin brush, like with the Temu mascara that I used in a previous video. And let's see the eyeliner. This one has a sponge tip applicator. This retails for $2.47. Super cheap. It is completely dry now, but it still has that glossy finish. I'm trying to stay very close to the lashes. It is very pigmented. I'm not able to create the tip here because it's not a very flexible brush. Also, even though, oops, I like the packaging, it is very slippery. As I can see on the eyes, it's not looking so glossy, which I like. You need to be careful with the brush. Oh no, I made a boo-boo here. It is tagging on the skin. Sadly, the eyeliner is not so easy to use and let's go to the mascara. It takes a while to coat the lower lashes.
Oh boy.
I need more product. It dries very fast. So this product is definitely not worth your money, my money, everyone's money. I also found some super cheap lip products. I have paid $3.27 for 4 items. The description of the products is so confusing. It is a matte lipstick, a lip gloss,
A lip stain.
so this product is either a hybrid or not usable at all. Scissors time again. Ooh, they have boxes. Very pretty. So cute. And these are by the brand AFDF. I love the boxes. Hearts everywhere. So let's see this green one. Is this gonna be a green lip product? I really like the packaging. Shade 4. It feels more like a liquid lipstick. It smells like chocolate. So delicious. Each tube has a nice weight to it. The packaging is very aesthetically pleasing. This one is the shade 2. Then the shade 3. The next one is the shade 1. I like all of the colors and I think they can look very nice on a lot of skin tones. I was able to completely remove them so they are not lip stains. I'm taking the shade 3. This is the only pinky that could go with the eye looks. Oh, it's not pinky. Yeah.
Oh well.
It smells so nice and it's so creamy. It is very comfortable and not drying. It has very nice color payoff, very easy to use. I really like it. My face makeup is getting glowier and glowier. Drop in the comments what is your favorite product of today's video. Mine is definitely the brow gel. And you can also watch this video here. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye!